massive tube you get only for rupees 300. This is literally like one of the best skincare item you can have. This has to be one of the most watery moisturizer that I have. This is like my OG moisturizer. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kunjan and you're watching Travers with Sharma. For the very first time, I'm doing a video just on all my moisturizers. I'm basically rating them from best to worst. Well, I won't say worst, but yes, there are some moisturizers that I absolutely don't like. I'm currently having cramps, and just to distract myself, and the motivation is so high to shoot this video that I'm loving it. And if you guys are interested in knowing my Instagram, here is it. You can just check it out or you can follow me. Let's get started with this video. So when I say the best moisturizer, for me it has to be this one from Dot & Key. It is their Ceramide and Hyaluronic Barrier Repair Moisturizer. I mean, this is like my OG moisturizer. If I'm given an option of choosing just one moisturizer for the rest of my life, it is going to be this one. I already have emptied, not just one, I have emptied like 3-4 like tubes of this particular moisturizer. Currently have a new one, and I thought this is the right time to shoot this video also to let you all know that this moisturizer, I've also talked about this moisturizer in my past videos, that this is one such moisturizer which is like literally gonna improve your skin barrier. I mean, the texture of the skin, it is going to make it more natural looking the way it used to be, and it is going to be helpful if you end up exfoliating your skin too much or if you have any sort of redness. I have currently at this part some open pores like both of these parts, and that's why I'm using this cream at times at night. So I don't usually go in with this cream like on daily basis. I use it alternatively because I also use retinol. Just see the how smoothly I mean it emulsifies with my skin so fast. I mean, love it, love it. And it's gonna cost you somewhere around 400 worth every penny. I mean, it's not an expensive moisturizer. You can have it in your vanity. This is literally like one of the best skincare item you can have with yourself. So this is my first moisturizer, and this is like a 10 on 10 product. And it says that it is very, very much compatible with dry, combination, and sensitive skin. So people who all out there want to consider this not only for normal but dry, sensitive, and combination. If you all have that, then you can just give it a try at least once. Then for me, the second best moisturizer has to be from Minimalist. I don't have that particular moisturizer because it got emptied like a while back. And since then I have a lot of moisturizer with me. So I have not really restocked it, but I've made a lot of video in which I've included that, which is the Korean skincare video that I made. I've added in the favorite skincare products. I've also added in more videos, which I'll add. So I'm basically talking about the moisturizer called Marula Oil Moisturizer from Minimalist. It is one of those moisturizer which I started using in winters, and then I've also used it in the summers. And one of the best part about that moisturizer is because I have a normal skin, it goes compatible with serums. It is compatible with my sunscreens. That one particular moisturizer, I can also use it if my skin is not doing great. Like if even in the morning, if I used to go for the gym or even for a normal walk, like morning walk, I used to apply that one particular moisturizer because it gives me that little bit of glow as well. And it is also like a small tube, and it is also not an expensive one, somewhere around 300 or something. It is also a very, very good moisturizer that I would rate at second position among all the best ones. Then comes another moisturizer from Minimalist. If you guys can see, it's a vitamin B5 10% moisturizer from Minimalist. It is literally an oil-free moisturizer. So I've got like a small tube, which is like 30 grams only, just to try how it is, because I've been loving the moisturizer from Minimalist a lot. I think I love maximum of their products, but I want to try this one. I got it. So how I use it? This one particular moisturizer is something I use it at times in the morning with my serum. See how amazing this looks like. It has got like little bit of thick consistency, like from all the moisturizers that I have, but it is also an amazing product. This particular moisturizer I use when I am traveling because it is very pocket friendly. First of all, it's a good moisturizer. I will rate it at second, third position again, but also use it to remove my makeup because it gives me such an amazing like afterglow when I get rid of the makeup also. And I can also use it in the morning if I want to pair it up with my serum, or even if I don't want to add anything on my face, just this moisturizer from Minimalist, then I can actually rely on this one. And that's why I'm also planning on making a different video where I will highlight all the Minimalist products. But I'm just waiting because I want to try 3-4 products more, like their eye cream. I also want to try their niacinamide. And like what I said, it's an oil-free moisturizer. So if you have an oily skin, you guys can also try it out. Now comes a body lotion again from Minimalist. Okay, this body lotion is particularly I started using it in winters because body lotion is something I don't really use on daily basis, especially in the summers. I've also added this in my favorite skincare. This is the Niacinamide 5% body lotion with glycerin, shea butter, and betaine. This has to be one of the most watery moisturizer that I have. Like, this is something which comes, like, can you see that little bit of shine that is coming? That is something which is always presented in minimalist product, and I love it that it is like, I love it that it is very light and it hydrates my skin so fast. Can you see that? Lovely. And it is for all skin types. I mean, if you have dry skin, if you have like oily skin, or even if you have like bumps on your skin, it is a very good moisturizer for that, and I would highly recommend it because it it is not like I my skin gets like very greasy after application. It settles down in my skin very fast, and that is one of the most amazing parts. I will again, like, I can scale all the minimalist products on the rating of 3, like from all the best moisturizer. I would say it will be on 3 or 4 for me. But it is again, if you are considering a body lotion, this particular one and the one from Wish Care is also good. I will add a video of that I've added, that I have made in the past of Dish Care. I think sunscreen protection. So it has sunscreen also, it has a moisturizer also. So you guys can consider either that or this, or you can have both of them for your body if you are a regular user of body lotions. So this is another product, and it is also very cheap. I think it is somewhere around, yeah, this whole tube, like this massive tube, you get only for rupees 300, which is somewhere around 180 grams. Amazing. So then comes the moisturizer, which was like a freebie from Dr. Shade. It's their ceramide and vitamin C oil-free moisturizer. Someone who is having uh, oily skin, they can definitely use it. I have personally used it, so this is also ideal for your normal skin. I'm not sure about the dry skin person, but it is a very good, like, in terms of the hydration that it provides. Like, it's very watery. This is the amazing part, that it's like literally very watery consistency. And I think maximum of my moisturizer have watery consistency. I don't like that greasy feel. So that is why this is, so this I use it with my retinol. So I cannot directly use my retinol. At times I feel like it is irritating my skin. So what I do, I go in with the layer of this moisturizer, then I apply retinol. That's how I like keep my skin away from any sort of irritation also. So this is another product, and Dr. Shades has also impressed me. It's two, three brands that has like are go-to when it comes to skincare. It has to be Minimalist, Dr. Shades, and Dot and Key. Like, amazing. This one product, I am thinking of like restocking this product, not only for my nighttime but also for my daytime, because I feel like it can also go well with serums, and I've tried it in the past when I got this product. So this is something which I can try again with like a bigger version, with like a bigger tube. But this is not the product which I will consider over minimalist. Like, I would 100 times prefer a marula oil moisturizer than this particular one, because that particular moisturizer is compatible for like my face, for my neck, and everything. So that is one thing. So it is like a median product for me. Now comes the moisturizer that I absolutely don't apply. Like, I have just bought it and I've used it 3 times and I'm just done with that product. And I'm talking about this one from Foxtail. I mean, the purpose of this moisturizer is to give you like that glowy skin. It's their Foxtail Super Glow moisturizer, which I'm talking about. And as someone who uses product, that gives me glow like 90% of the time. Like 90% of my products ends up giving me glow, whether that is my makeup, whether that is my any sort of skincare, sunscreen, serum. But I got this product after I've seen like so many people advertising on Instagram, and I thought I've not tried anything from Foxy, so let me get this one. So I think I someone suggested me that use like a good quantity of this product, and I honestly I didn't even like the texture. Like, I felt like, firstly, it has a very strong smell, and I don't like my product with strong smell. And it feels like some sort of weird, like, I just don't like the thickness. Can you see? It does not even emulsify this fast. I mean, I need to rub it a lot, and I can't see any sort of, yeah, glow that it's gonna give. Like, even if I apply it right now on my face, but I don't want to apply because I've stopped using this product, and I think it's literally a waste. So I use it to just remove my makeup. At times, to just use it on my neck or something, but it does not give me glow. Matlab, the glow that get from my sunscreen is much better than the glow that I get from this product. Even when I use it like too much, I feel like my skin gets very sticky, which I absolutely hate, because my skin is very normal. I don't want to make it like oily or greasy at times. So this is literally a product that I would not recommend, or I would not approve for a normal skin person. Even if you want to use it, just go ahead and try it for yourself. Baki though, I will not say that like spend your money on this product, even though it's not so expensive, but still you want to use good products. And I have suggested you so many moisturizers you guys can consider. what to buy from all those. So I think this was it for today's video. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. Let me know which moisturizer you guys have already tried it, or the one you are very curious to try, or any sort of moisturizer you want to try in the future from my recommendation. Do let me know, because I'd be very happy to know how your experience has been. And thank you so much for watching. Love you all. Bye.